Hey, I've got a box. So you know what that means? We're gonna do an unboxing video. Please. It's exciting though, because this is a prize that I won from these people here. That's the name of the app. It's video presentation software, and I love it. I highly recommend it. I've been making lots of presentations using their software. So they sent me a prize. Thank you. What's the prize, you may ask? What's in the box? Well, it is this. It is a Sonos Move speaker, and I know absolutely nothing about it, but they emailed me that I had won, and they're sending this to me, and lo and behold, it arrived in the mail. So let's check it out. First thing I notice is it is heavy. It is solid. Whatever this speaker is, it is not plastic. It is definitely well made, and I know Sonos products are high quality. So, and I seem to be opening it upside down. So check it out. Nothing inside the box. This, ooh. Yes, it looks just like in the picture, doesn't it? The Sonos Move, it says, the premium powered smart speaker. And then something in French. And then something in many other languages. And that's all it says. I don't have any idea what it does. So other than, you know, it's a speaker. But why is it, I saw on Amazon this thing goes for $500. So why is it a $500 speaker? I don't know. Let's find out. Okay, untaping. We've got the welcome, let's get started here packet, which I never generally read, but I will open it for you guys. Oh, it's got a quick start guide. Connect the Move to power. Yes, I could have figured that out on my own. Then download the Sonos app. Comes with its own app. Move at a glance. Use the Wi-Fi to set up the Move for listening at home. Switch to Bluetooth wherever Wi-Fi isn't available. And let's see what it is that we're setting up. Nice packaging. Oh, it comes in its own little carrying bag. It says Move on it. Okay, good. Ooh. And it's like new car smell, but more portable. And then it's got something on the bottom here. Wow, this is really nice. It just feels good. It feels solid. Nice texture. It is definitely heavy. And all it has on the back is, it appears to be a power button, a volume button, or slider, and then this infinity symbol must be to connect it to your phone. And on the top, it's got what appears to be a microphone, because it has a microphone symbol right there. It must have a plug. And that, yes, it does. And that's here. And ooh, it sits in this little cradle. Plug. Cradle. Don't need. Now, I'm going to plug it in, and then I'll be right back. Okay, plugging it in now. See if it does anything. Yes, I can see there's a light blinking on the top. Downloading the Sonos app. The Telltale app downloading sound. And let's see if we've got the app installing right now. Ooh, now the light turned from blinking white to blinking green. Maybe that's a good sign. Okay, the app has downloaded. And it says, Sonos would like to use Bluetooth. It would like to find and connect to devices on your local network. And it's got some screens saying, stream content from your favorite devices, listen in any room, control and customize your system, terms of use, blah, 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 accept, and set up your new system. All right, so let's set up the new system, shall we? Next, it will play a chime with an audio pin to connect to my mobile device. Discovering. Connecting to the Move. Connecting to your Sonos Move. Check mark. Okay, so it's connected. Adapt the sound of your speakers to the acoustics of the room. That's cool. Watch on your iPhone, listen on the Sonos with AirPlay, Apple AirPlay. Set songs as alarms. Ooh, your Sonos Move has been added. You can continue personalizing it in settings. Done. Let's do it. Okay, Auto True Play is enabled. Very exciting. So I can access all my Pandora stations right from within the Sonos app and then wirelessly have it play. It is a really nice sound here. It's really rich and warm, and I can imagine taking this outside the house, to the pool, to the beach. That's the nice thing about it, is it's battery operated, it's portable. And even though I said it's heavy, it just feels solid. It's not like it would be too heavy to throw in a backpack. And it's got this little bag that comes with it. I really, really like it. So again, thank you to Mmhmm for awarding this awesome prize to me. I appreciate it very much. And by the way, that was 4 slides. Here comes the 5th slide. So that means I could submit this unboxing video for another 5-slide challenge. Thank you, Mmhmm. I love my Sonos Move.